If you are the proud owner of a DJI RC2, you are aware of how sensitive and brittle the joysticks on the controller can be. We'll talk about the top 3 joystick protectors for the DJI RC2 in this video so you can maintain the quality of your drone.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC Joystick Protector. All DJI RC2 owners should have the StartRC Joystick Protector. This cover offers the highest level of protection against unintentional damage and is specially made to fit the controller's joysticks. Your joysticks will remain secure and damaged because of the StartRC Joystick Protector's use of premium, long-lasting materials. The Joystick Protector, which is made of TPU, uses the remote control's built-in structural elements to maintain its position by using an anti-off buckle design. Installation is quick and easy. It only takes one step and is not burdensome. The StartRC Joystick Protector's simple installation procedure is one of its primary benefits. It only requires a quick snap to the joysticks to keep it firmly in place. As a result, you may easily and swiftly attach and remove the protector as needed. Additionally, the protector does not affect the joystick's performance, giving you complete control over your drone. Your controller gains a further layer of comfort thanks to the StartRC Joystick Protector. It has a smooth, supple surface that is wonderful to the touch and adds to the enjoyment of flying. On number 2, we have BTG Joystick Protector. Another excellent choice for DJI RC2 owners seeking to protect their controller's joysticks is the BTG Joystick Protector. To offer the highest level of safety for your joysticks and to give you peace of mind while flying, this guard was meticulously and precisely constructed. The BTG Joystick Protector's top-notch construction is one of its distinctive features. Your joysticks are effectively protected from any potential harm by the sturdy materials used in the design, which can survive unintentional drops and bumps. This protection is made to exactly fit onto the joysticks, offering a tight fit that won't obstruct the controls of your drone. The BTG Joystick Protector is simple to install. It doesn't require any special tools or complicated instructions to connect or remove it. Once secured, the protector remains firmly in position, allowing you to soar in peace. The BTG Joystick Protector not only gives your controller additional comfort, but it also provides superb protection. On number 3, we have Skyreat Joystick Protector. Owners of the DJI RC2 who wish to improve their joystick protection can go for the Skyreat Joystick Protector. To offer the highest level of security for your joysticks, this protector has been thoughtfully designed out, giving you the confidence to fly. The Skyreat Joystick Protector stands out thanks to its unique design. It has a distinctive snap-on design that firmly fastens to the joysticks on your controller, ensuring a snug fit that stays in place throughout your flights. Because your joysticks are well protected, you may fly with assurance. The Skyreat Joystick Protector is created with high-quality parts that are long-lasting. It can endure unexpected drops and bumps, protecting your joysticks from potential damage. Regardless of your level of experience, this protector will serve your demands. The Skyreat Joystick Protector not only provides excellent protection, but also improved comfort. Its supple surface feels wonderful to the touch and makes flying a comfortable experience. Say goodbye to hand tiredness on longer flights and take pleasure in long trips pain-free. So these are some of the best joystick protectors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.